This tool that I'm going to share with you in this video is literally going to change the game for you when it comes to running TikTok ads. This tool will make it 10 times easier for you to create high converting ads for your product or service. You will also be able to spy on your competitors and see the exact ads that they're running in real time. So you won't have to waste your own precious time trying to figure out different concepts and ideas 100% from scratch. Now, if you're new here, my name is Antonio. I spend over $10 million a year running social media ads for Allstate. And I also have a small agency that helps direct to consumer brands scale using paid ads. So if you want to learn more about marketing and advertising, subscribe. Now, the tool that I've been discussing is the TikTok ad library, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can use this powerful tool to your advantage. Okay, so now we're in the TikTok ad library, and there is so much information here. But first things first, I'm going to link it in the description down below so you can find it easier. But I'm just going to walk you through, how everything works. And then I'm going to go over one or two things that I think are the most important for you to know and use this for. Okay. So as you look through the TikTok ad library, don't get overwhelmed. I know there's a lot of drop downs here, but essentially the first drop down is just for, a specific region. So let's just say you want to target anybody within the United States and advertisers in the United States. These are going to be all the ads that are shown in the US, but you can go after any region, right? Anywhere TikTok is pretty much it's around the world, right? So you can find any region or any advertiser. So that's super dope. And then you can do it by industry. So every industry is in here. You can do it by objective. So let's just say you want to see ads and what reach campaigns look like, what traffic campaigns look like, what conversion ads look like. You can do it by likes, duration. You could do it by how long the ad's been running, right? Then you can do also, again, by reach, click-through rates, view rates, and 6-second view rates. So as you can see, there's a lot of different levers that you can pull to get the information that you're looking for. And you can literally spend hours and hours and hours just going through the TikTok ad library. And so the very first thing that I recommend that you do is, for one, just go to your specific industry and just look at all of the ads. Okay. Just look at all the ads in your specific industry. Okay. So let's just say you're in the travel industry, right? And so what you're going to want to do is just look at all the ads. What do they look like? What's a common theme, right? Do you notice the same sounds being used? Do you notice there's a specific style, right? Do you notice that they're all the same, lengths? Like, what are you noticing when you start to look at your industry, okay? And I think this is very important to do, because then you can try to figure out how you can, kind of set yourself apart from the pack. So this is one thing that I always recommend that people do, is just look at the overall landscape of your industry, see, what everybody is doing, and then go from there. So the second thing that I recommend that you do is, after you kind of get a gist of your industry, you really want to take a look at your direct competitors. So let's just say you're in the fitness niche, but you have an athletic brand. So one of your direct competitors would be somebody like Gymshark. Okay, so what you would want to do is type in Gymshark, and then you would want to see what type of ads that they have. Okay, and so as you can see here, they're running 33 ads right now. And let's just do the last 180 days, right? And so these are all the ads that they're running. And so as you can see, they're running a lot of different campaigns. Primarily, it looks like traffic and conversion campaigns. And it looks like primarily female is the gender, okay? So it looks like they're running a lot of ads specifically to women. So that's one thing that you would want to jot down if you're in this niche, is like, okay, I'm selling athletic gear, but am I gearing to the right demographic? Looks like everybody is, 18 to 25, right? Young, fit, athletic, which makes sense. This is TikTok, right? Most of that demographic is on TikTok. And so you can see that and you can start to do your own analysis. Now, obviously everybody's not going to be in fitness and branding, but you get the point of what I'm trying to show you, right? And so then after you kind of just do a quick analysis of that, you want to actually go through the ads. So what do the ads look like? Are there some sounds that's happening, right? Is it quick? How's the editing? Okay, it looks like on this one, she's just trying on a whole bunch of clothes. This one looks like maternity. She's having a baby, just talking, you know, just giving an overall review or tutorial of the clothes. This one here. Yep. Quick, changing outfits. Show some love to the dudes. Okay, this is cool. Changing clothes, different fits, right? But with some super dope effect. So as you can see here, you can get the vibe and the feel of the ads, what they look like, and then you can take this and do it for yourself. Now, the very last thing that I want to show you within the Creative Center is trends. And this is very, very important on TikTok, okay? You want to make sure that you're ahead of trends as much as possible. Now, trends happen literally overnight on TikTok, but if you can create ads that seem native to the platform and is on par for the trend that's happening right now, you can get a lot of engagement and way more conversions and sales, okay? And by using this, it can really help you be on top of trends without having to necessarily be in or on TikTok all the time, because people got other things to do, okay? And so what you want to do is hit trends up here, and then all you have to do is scroll down and it'll tell you what are some of the most trending things that are happening on TikTok right now. So the number one trend right now on TikTok is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is around the corner. So if you're going to run an ad, it'd be really imperative that you use a Valentine's Day hashtag, right? Because a lot of people are trying to find gifts for their girlfriend or for, you know, their husband or spouse or whoever, right? And so this would be a good hashtag to target people, because a lot of people are searching and using this hashtag and creating content around Valentine's Day, right? Golden Globes just happened, so that makes sense that it's trending. So if you have some content that relates to that in your ad, then by all means, you want to use that, right? So you get the gist, but it just makes it easier for you. So you can literally look right here. And then also they give you the songs. So right now, Layup by Future is trending as the number one trending song. So you want to make sure that when you're creating creatives that you use this song if you're going to release it right now. So all these things just really help you be, you know, on top of these trends. And then they have creators. So if you do want to use a creative marketplace, you know, and get some of these creators, you can. Now, all these people are going to be like super expensive. So if your budget is small, do not call on them. Okay. You definitely want to work with micro influencers. But if you do have the budget, right, then you can by all means connect with them with the TikTok creator marketplace, but just be prepared to come out of pocket, okay? Then they also have the TikTok videos that are trending right now as well. So you can kind of see what videos are trending, what type of content is working well. And so that is it for this video. Now, if you want to learn step-by-step how to actually set up your first TikTok ad campaigns, check out this video right here.